Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is a simple 10 slide presentation that shows an example of an application that can be built using decentralized technologies like decentralized identifiers, verifiable credentials, and DIDCOM agents. And it focuses on the information needs or the information model for a Toronto based songwriter or performer. And we're going to look at a mind map initially of this songwriter performer's world, and then begin to enumerate the did methods that are appropriate. We'll find that there's actually some 66 did methods just on the first version of this taxonomy, of the first version of this mind map, 66 did methods. And from those, there may be as many as 16 or 24 that would be common or generic did methods. So let's begin to have a look at that. So here we can see the mind map. It's pretty small. But if we go through the colored boxes on the right-hand legend, we can see that we've got creative and management in the turquoise magenta box. We have the song catalog in gray. We have musicians in blue. We have live performances in pink, distribution in brown, licensing in orange, collecting organizations, revenue collecting organizations in that sort of olive color, royalties in mauve or purple, sales in red, and finally revenue in green. So those are just some broad brush categories that are used to kind of highlight the relationships in this mind map. So in the creative and management category, there's actually 13 different did methods, 13 different types of entities that fit into this creative and management category. Musicians, aka people, there's at least 5 different types. Again, these are specifically musicians, and there are other people or other roles within the mind map that could also be included. Live performances and touring, we have 6. Again, classes or category types that would correspond to 6 did methods. Here we have distribution, digital downloads, digital streaming, and traditional media. Licensing, so we'd license radio stations. Other artists might do covers of these songs, and that would have licensing implications, TV, film, and advertisements. Collecting organizations, there's an organization called the Sound Exchange, and then there's a variety of performance rights organizations. Royalties within the music industry, there's 4 different kinds of royalties. There's possibly more. I'd actually asked the target songwriter performer to create his own mind map. So this is based on his understanding of what he does. Sales, 6 categories, 6 did methods. Revenue, 5 possible, basically revenue consumers, if you want to think of it that way. The song catalog, the set list, the lyrics, the melodies, the song catalog itself, and the recording masters. And then there's just a bunch of other, related topics, related namespaces, classes, or did methods. In terms of sort of the baseline or common shared did methods, here's some examples. These would be used by the Toronto Songwriter Performer app, but they would also be usable by many other applications because of their generality. So we've seen a total of 66 methods. There might be thousands or tens of thousands of individual entities cataloged or organized, categorized by those DID methods, of which some of them will be reusable and available to people developing other types of decentralized apps. Thank you for watching.